Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm super excited because we have an amazing unboxing that we are going to be showing you up in the garden today. I think you're going to like it. So guys, I am really excited about what I have here for you today. This is the Olle Garden, and it is a modular galvanized steel with a coating on it. It's called zinc coating. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it's a special coating to keep it from rusting. The really cool thing about this bed is that there's 12 different ways that you can configure this bed to meet your space and size requirements in your garden. So here you can see some of the different configurations that you can make with these beds. And we are going to be assembling the garden into this shape right here, the 24 by 96, which is 2 feet by 8 feet. I'm really excited about getting this up here because I've been wanting to add some more narrow beds along the fence and start growing things up next to the fence. I did a little bit of that last year, but not in any raised bed gardens like I wanted to. So this is going to give us the opportunity to do that. So let's unbox this, see what's inside of it, see what we need to do to put it together, and then see how it looks in the end. Okay, so open it up. This is what it looks like. I see some metal pieces in there. So let's pull this out. It's packaged really well. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first we have this box with this rubber tubing that goes along the top of your raised bed just to make sure that there's no sharp edges and to make it a little nicer. Here is our bag of nuts and bolts that we're going to need to put it together. Next we have the rounded corners here. There are 4 corners, obviously. And lastly, here are our side panels, 4 shorter ones and 4 longer ones. So that's cool. These are actually really heavy, so I'm going to put them down. As with all of the products that I review on this channel, make sure you check out the description below. I will have a link to this product in the description along with a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you check it out. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just go ahead and remove the plastic that is on the metal bed. There is a plastic lining on the inside and on the outside. Okay, so to put these panels together, they just simply overlap and have holes in each panel that you're going to line up. And then you're going to take your bolt, a washer, and a nut. And we're going to take the bolt, and it goes through the front. So that's the part we're going to see. And we're going to line it up there, get it through both holes. Then we're going to take our washer, put it on the back of that bolt, and screw on our nut. I just tighten it with my fingers, and then I put the wrench that they gave us on the back and a screwdriver on the front and turn it until it's nice and tight. Okay, so I got the 2 corner sides done. We're gonna go ahead and lay out the sides now. To do the 2-foot by 8-foot bed that we are doing today, we need to put 2 of the smaller sides in the middle and then 1 of the bigger sides on either end. I'll show you what I mean. So 2 of these are going to go in the middle, and then this is our longer sides. There's going to be 1 that goes on each side, just like that. So I'm finding this bed to be super easy to put together. I mean, it's just nuts and bolts. It's nothing complicated whatsoever. I did go grab a screwdriver because the one side is a bolt that we need to hold still while we tighten the nut. So we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of these sides put together, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, so here she is all put together. The only thing we need to do now is put the rubber tubing on top. So this rubber tubing has a little notch in the bottom of it, which is just going to push over the metal sides. And we're just going to get this put on top here. Okay, so here it is. This is our Olle Garden all set up. Now this bed is pretty deep, as you can see. I'm not sure what the exact specifications are of how deep it is, but I would say close to 2 feet deep, which is a nice size. So to fill something like this, you can obviously go ahead and fill the whole thing with soil if you would like. But you can also fill the bottom with things like sticks and leaves, yard debris, things like that, to try to build up the bottom a little bit. You at least want to give yourself a good 12 inches or so of soil for your plants to grow, and make sure that they have lots of room to grow in. So let's talk about some of the amazing features of this Olle bed. First of all, the fact that it is a coated metal means that this thing is going to last for a very, very long time. As opposed to traditional wood beds, even cedar or redwood beds, eventually that wood will break down. These metal beds that are coated and treated will last way longer than any wood bed would. Secondly, I love the height of this bed. I can easily bend down and get into this bed. It's higher than traditional raised beds. My raised beds that I have built that are out of wood are 12 inches high. The Olle Garden is much taller than these beds, and it's really easy to get into and garden in beds that are a little bit taller. You're not bending down as far, you're not having to get down on your knees or anything. You can easily stand and pick weeds or plant or harvest your things, which is really an amazing feature of beds like this. Thirdly, the versatility of this garden. I absolutely love that there are 12 different configurations that you can do with this same kit right here. So the very kit that I bought here, you can make a square, you can make various rectangles, you can make a long, thin, skinny bed like I did here. Their possibilities are amazing. So this same kit that I have right here can fulfill so many different needs that different people have. We all have different garden spaces, we all have different needs, different sizing requirements. And I absolutely love that this Olle Garden is so versatile in that way. And the last thing, this garden bed is absolutely beautiful. I love the look of these garden beds, the wood beds with the metal beds, with some different pots and containers throughout a garden. I love that mixed look, and this Olle Garden looks absolutely beautiful. I can't wait until it has fruits and vegetables just flowing out over the top of it. I think I might move some strawberries in here this year, maybe some corn in the back. I'm really excited to get this planted up. And I wanted to let you guys know that the color that I have right here is ivory. I know that Olle Garden also supplies a green and a dark navy blue, which are currently out of stock right now, but the ivory that I have right here is in stock right now, so make sure you guys go check that out, and make sure you guys use the discount code in the description below. If you guys have any questions about this garden, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer them and to help you guys out with whatever I can. And I cannot wait to get this bed filled and planted, and I will make sure I bring you guys along for that entire process, show you what I'm going to fill the bottom of my bed with, and then what soil I'm using, and then we'll get it planted. But that'll be another day. Today, this video is over. We'll see you in the next one.